Before we get started on Marvell here, be aware that they do have quarterlies next week, and it's not a place of are these quarterlies going to be good. They're going to be good. They're going to be really good, and this will be the first quarterly with Marvell that are now in the S&P 500. So this is a big moment for this company, 100% delivering on all aspects, and like I said, they're going to. So right now, more than likely, what we're watching here, this is still probably a buy zone for a short profit taking if you're wanting to maybe jump in, jump out. Now, this is not a place where I'm saying, hey, this is a bad investment, anything like that. I think long term, this is going to be a huge cycle of a company that, quarterlies are going to continue to grow here with chart action continuing to rise here. But in the short moment here leading up to quarterlies, this is probably a place of where, yes, I don't think that 250 is that shocking, and maybe something past 250 leading up into next week's quarterlies. Now with that, if you trail back here just even the last 3 weeks, this has been a place of where investors are piling in, trying to get as many shares as they can. And as we see more staircases be built here on this frame workout of this chart, it's obvious that more confidence is being built here, and these dips that we're getting, people are buying these dips. Now even recently here, Marvell selling back down into a 230 zone, and this may be all she's going to give until we see what these quarterlies do. This is it. But Marvell going past 250, I think that's kind of just the starting ground of really where this could go. And be careful too, obviously. I'm not trying to get my caught in anything. Long time, you're fine. But short time, if you're trying to make a swing trade here, when there's massive profit that builds up here, it's going to be taken. So can Marvell go back to 280, 290, even $300? I think that's very possible for a moment here. And two, it is a moment of how good are these quarterlies going to be? And I think a lot of us believe that these quarterlies with Marvell, they're going to be fantastic. And if they do come out here and really beat expectation, maybe this quarterly is right under, $3 billion. This is a big place here, but Marvell right now, they're going to end the year here with a lot more money than what was expected, especially this time last year and even 6 months ago. And now having this huge relationship with Nvidia, and don't forget, it's almost like it really is like having an ace up the sleeve with Marvell right now, because next week, guess what? They release their quarterlies the day after Nvidia. Now, Nvidia is going to carry the market with it one way or another. It's going to carry it up to their quarterlies or after their quarterlies. But talk about a win-win. Two companies working together, quarterlies day after one another, releasing what's going on here. Marvell is it's just a clear sweep out of what's going to happen here. It's going to be an easy swing trade, I think, for a lot of people. Even at this 230 zone, there's probably still a good bit of a bite left on what's going to happen here. So I really do believe that these quarterlies are going to be a monumental place of where Marvell can move the rest of the year. And one thing too is that we're already seeing the cycle start to take shape again, back into memory, back into data. It's getting a lot more of the attention of the market once again. So we've seen things such as SanDisk, Micron, all of these companies have these unbelievable runs. I still think that even Marvell, who's had an amazing run here, there's still a strong conversation that this company could do a extraordinary run going into 2027 because of where this technology is that where they're delivering at. And two, Marvell is still in this place of freshly in S&P 500, still under $1 trillion market cap. If you're looking for somewhere to store funds, this is going to be better than a general savings account. It really is, just fast or slowly pouring money into this. It's going to be a win-win. So it's a tremendous company. It's a tremendous company to find at this place and time as an investor. It's going to serve you really well. So the next 2 weeks here are going to be very interesting to see where this stock goes and what do we see out of these quarterlies. So with that being said, I do wish all of you the best of luck, and I want to talk to you soon. Take care, everyone.